Ahmed from IB Karachi. I'm representing Dr. Shahid Qureshi here. And I would like to welcome Dr. Ul Rehman here from UK. He did his engineering from Pakistan and then he moved on to UK for doing his PhD in AI. So I think that's a very relevant topic, especially now when everything is converting into AI. That's the voice of today. And now he's working, Mr. Ataur Rahman is working with respect to AI. He helps companies in their management and business operations. And in this session, he's going to guide the food industry with respect to how AI can make them more efficient and improve their processes. So I would like to hand over to Mr. Ataur Rahman here. Welcome, Mr.
Thank you
Ataur
very,
Rahman on board.
thank you very much, Annie, for a very nice introduction. So I really appreciate that. So yeah, and welcome everyone, and thank you very much for joining my session. So yeah, I'll try to keep it more interactive. So I would really appreciate if everyone can just switch on their cameras. So it would be much more easier for me to interact with you. So to see your faces and to communicate with you, because yeah, because it's kind of a joint sort of a learning because uh, I might be an expert in AI, but you guys are already expert in what you are doing in restaurants and in managing the restaurant. So so I'll take your feedbacks, how and what you are doing in the restaurant industries and how can AI help you in improving whatever you are doing there. So I would really appreciate if everyone can switch on, turn on their cameras. So so in the meanwhile, I'll give my very brief introduction. So Annie has already given a brief introduction. Let me just quickly give add few more things. As Annie explained, I did my undergrad from Pakistan and did master's and PhD from here in UK, from Loughborough University. So, and then I did my postdoc from University of Sheffield here in UK. And then I served in Pakistan as assistant professor and associate professor at UET Lahore and NUST. And then I moved back to UK a couple of years ago. Now I'm working with two different universities here in the UK. And I've been teaching AI, machine learning, and data science, data analytics, and other relevant courses. And I've been working with the industry as well, delivering different projects. So I have worked on the audio and video based solutions, applying the AI on audio and video based solutions. And I've worked with other provided maintenance solutions to different industries as well, so AI based maintenance solutions. So that's what my very brief introduction is. So before we start uh, this session today, so we don't have many people turned on their cameras, unfortunately. Yeah, I can see Kadir Ahmed and Simon Riaz. I can see Tayyip Khan as well. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining this session. So I would really appreciate if you keep on giving me your feedback throughout this session. So I'll talk about like maybe my background is a technical background. So yours background and your experience is more into the restaurants and managing the things. So I will try to explain how AI can be used in managing these stuffs. But uh, but but keep giving your feedbacks whenever you want to stop me. Just stop me there. If you want to give your input, so I would be more than happy to listen to your input, whatever you want to give input regarding the restaurants and how AI can be used. So let's start the session. The topic is how AI is transforming the fast food industry and how can restaurant managers leverage AI. So AI is a very sort of a hot area these days. So almost every single industry is using AI. So I know pharmaceutical industries, pharmaceutical companies, even civil engineering, mechanical engineering. You just talk about any area, any field. So even the finance companies, they are very heavily using the AI, like surveillance, security, almost everywhere. So food industry is no different. So food industry is also using AI. So, but it's a bit new. So few of the things they have already been adopted by the food industry. But there are many things which are still in a process and in a stage where they are developing. So I'm going to talk about few things which are already developed and which are in the development stage as well. So let's start. Okay, so can anyone uh, give their input what AI is? Does anyone know what AI is? So we are all talking about AI. So we are all listening about AI in news, in on the social media. Everyone is talking about AI. So what actually AI is? So AI is basically artificial intelligence. So does anyone wants to give their input? So no answer is a wrong answer. So anyone, whoever wants to give their feedback, their thoughts on what AI is. So don't be shy. Like any answer is any answer is not a wrong answer. So just your thoughts. What do you think what AI is? So we talk about AI. So it's artificial intelligence. So we all know what intelligence is. Okay. So we all humans have
Sure, Anil.
intelligence. Yeah, sure. So anyone wants to give input? Okay. Okay, no worries. Let me try to explain what AI. AI is a very simple concept. It's not difficult. So we all have humans have intelligence, you know. So we all human have intelligence. So what does our intelligence mean? So human intelligence, we can all solve problems. We can all create things. So we all humans can learn from the environment as well. Okay, you know. Uh, so our parents or our teachers might have taught us how to write English. They might have taught us how alphabet A look like or B look like. So we in a very early stages of our like learning, we learned how to write the alphabets. But right now, so we have learned over the time, and now we can read any sort of a handwriting. Okay, so even most of us can read, although it's very difficult, but most of us can read even the doctor's handwriting as well. So although none of us has seen those sort of a writings when we were learning how to read the English alphabets or how to read the English writing, but we humans now we can read all different even difficult sort of a handwritings. So how? So that's because of the human intelligence. So human brain has an intelligence. So we have learned few things, but based on those learnings we can we can solve different problems which we haven't even learned. Okay, so human has these intelligence capabilities. So what are the capabilities human brain has? So human brain can learn things. So we humans can do the comprehensions. We can basically understand the complex data around us. We can understand different complex writings. We can understand different mathematical problems, or like you managers can solve different daily problems. So you might have come across different problems which you might have not seen before, but because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a brain which is intelligent enough, so we can solve all those problems. Okay, so day to day, even if we haven't solved those problems previously, so we have this capability that we can solve those problems. Okay, even though we haven't seen those problems, so we can make certain decisions. Okay, so although so your maybe your our bosses or our parents might have not explained us how to take specific decisions. They might have taught different things, but human brain has a capability to make certain decisions independently. Okay, so we can human brains can create things. We can create different very beautiful paintings. We can create uh, very different very tasty food as well. Okay, so that's the human capabilities. So artificial intelligence is basically about uh, making machines and computers intelligent as humans. Okay, so making computers do all those things is artificial intelligence. So if we can make computers uh, learn from the environment, if we can make computers do the comprehensions itself, if we can make the computers to solve different problems itself without humans intervention or without humans input, or if we can make computers to make certain decisions, or we can make computers to create something new. So independently. So that's artificial intelligence, and that's what computers are doing right now. Okay, so you see, most of us we see Chat GPT at least. Chat GPT, we give a question to Chat GPT, and the Chat GPT hasn't seen that question before, but it's it's capable of creating a new answer for you. Okay, so few of you might have used the AI for creating the images. Let's say if I go back to the previous slide, so you see there's a very nice, beautiful image depicting a human working in a kitchen and cutting something, and there is an AI help there at the background as well. So, who created this image? I did not create it. I give instructions to AI, and AI actually created this image. Okay, so are now capable of creating things. So, computers are capable of making certain decisions. Computers are capable of uh, doing the comprehensions, and they are capable of learning. So, AI is doing all those things. So, uh, so that's what AI is. So, but the question is, uh, how AI can help in the fast food industry. So now everyone knows what AI is. So I've given a very simple definition of AI. So let's see. Let's talk about how AI can transform the fast food industry. So, what do you think? So, what do you think? What's the one task you think the AI should be doing on your behalf, or what do you think? If AI could do this task in your daily life, your life would become much more easier. So what do you think? Any input? Gee,
Just better ideas.
sorry, I can't see you actually. Sorry, can you
Just
please
can give us
tell me your
new
name and
ideas.
Kadir Ahmed sir, you speak.
Yes, sir.
Ji Kadir sir. So
I
yeah,
said, sir,
yeah,
it can give us new ideas.
yeah. Very good, very good. Yeah, AI can give you new ideas as well. So about the food, you mean about the new recipes, about the new foods? Or what do you think? What sort of an ideas would help you in your daily life? So if we specifically talk about okay, leave it. So let's talk about anything. So if you want to give us an example of a KFC or your restaurant, that would be more suitable, but doesn't matter. If you want to give any other example, that's fine. So yes, Kadir Ahmed sir. So what do you think? So if AI could give you new ideas about the new recipes, that would be very good. That would make your life easier, do you think? Okay. Anyone
Uh,
else? Khadija, do you want to add something?
so it can help many ways. Like
Yeah,
if you give us ideas, like it can give us strategic thinking, or we can create something which is, I mean, we can use as a technology.
yeah.
So it can give us different various ways.
Perfect, perfect. That's correct. Anyone else? Nayab Asghar?
How about KFC helps, the AI helps us in the budgeting and
Yeah, that's
in
yep.
us which are the good products to for like gaining more profit.
Perfect, perfect. That's absolutely right. That's what AI is doing to us. So very thank you for your feedback for your input. So I would really appreciate if you turn on your cameras. I really want to see who am I talking to. So thank you very much, WhatsApp. And anyone else? So now I can see you, Javasa. Thank you. So thanks for your input, Javasa. So it doesn't matter
And
if you want to give your input in Urdu, that's perfectly fine. So I don't mind it. So yeah, anyone else?
Sir,
Yeah, yeah. Noman,
uh, sir, I think
Noman sir.
through robotic AI we can get the best services for customer services. We can uh, allow allow a lot of robotic on burger preparation through input.
Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, we can make the robots, AI-based robots, which can prepare the things itself. But do you think this would make your life easier? So as a restaurant manager, so what do you think? Do you think this would make the life more easier for the restaurant managers if they have the robots making the food rather than the humans?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. It can be in a way that you can train the robot once, and robot would automatically keep on repeating those things. Okay. So you don't need to, and there is a less chance of error as well. Okay, that's what AI can do as well. Any other input? Anyone else? Ali Raza Saab, Saima, would you like to give your input?
Yes, sir. It can help in inventory, in can scheduling that how we can do a better time, better work, and better
Hmm.
place, and
Hmm.
also can help in our P&L, profit and loss statement, and how to calculate the profit and loss. It can
Hmm.
also help to generate an email, and we can
Hmm.
just give the subject, and they can provide us a whole email, so we can channel.
Perfect, perfect. That's what I do as well. So I have to write like almost 50, 40 to 50 emails every day. So if I have to write it myself, so it would have been very difficult. So what I do is I give a very rough sort of a email to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT automatically refine it for me. So the life have become much more easier for me by using the AI. So although I'm generating my AI things as well, I'm researching in AI, but already existing AI tools, they are very helpful for me. So if I had to write like 20, 30 emails every day, it would have not been possible for me. So now, at least with the AI, I can respond to all these 20 to 30 emails every single day. So it's much more helpful. And as you said, in in managing the finances and calculating things and all those things, AI is very helpful. And if AI could help you further in this, I agree that it's gonna make your life or the manager's life much more easier. That's perfect. So let's talk about few things now. So let's say why AI matters now. So like why AI matters to the restaurant managers now. So like we have been like you have been running the restaurants for many years. So the restaurants are there for decades. Or if you talk about the specifically the fast food restaurants, they're in Pakistan or all over the world for decades. But we didn't have AI previously. But why all of a sudden we all need an AI now? So the first thing is the because of the social media and because of lots of restaurants opening up around, the competition is increasing and the customer's demand is increasing as well. So what does customer need now? Customer need very accurate food. So if they don't like the taste of the food, they're not going to come back to those restaurants because they have lots of options. So they're going to go to another restaurant. Okay. So they need fast delivery. They need very accurate food. So they don't they if they tasted KFC or they tasted a specific food somewhere, so they want the same sort of a taste everywhere throughout the country. Okay. So they need very specific sort of a food. They need low cost food as well. Okay. Because of the high competition, lots of restaurants around there. The customers need low cost food and high quality, low cost, fastly delivered, and they need a very personalized experience as well. Do you think? So do you think like the customers now are very choosy and they need a very personalized sort of experience. Maybe they need very specific deals they are looking for. So if they are four people in the family, so they might be looking for a very specific deal, very good for the four people. If there are people who like to have a hot drink with or a coffee with a burger, so they would like a deal in which they would get a burger with a coffee with a burger. So or maybe they need something else. They need the chicken plus the burger or plus some cookie or plus a drink. So the customers need very personalized sort of an experience, personalized deals, personalized taste as well. So some people like very spicy food, some people like mild food, some people like a very mild food as well. So I remember last week I went to a restaurant here in UK, and I ordered a food uh, and asked them to cook it mild. So that was too mild that didn't I didn't like the taste actually. That was very mild actually, and that was milder than what I was expecting. And next time I went to another restaurant and asked them to make it hot, and they made the food which was very hot. It wasn't like even with the Pakistani taste buds, it was very difficult for me to eat that food. That was very, very, very spicy. So as a customer, we are all becoming very choosy. So if we need some spicy food, we need a very specific spicy food which is according to my needs. If we need a if I need a mild food or non-spicy food, I need a very specific spicy or non-spicy food. So we humans and customers, we need very specific sort of a very personalized sort of a experience from the restaurant. And if we don't like the taste at one restaurant, we're not going to go back to that restaurant. We have lots of options now. So that's why uh, we need AI to create the personalized experience for the customers. Okay, and profit margins are becoming very thin as well. So uh, previously there might be very less restaurants, and every restaurant might be earning lots of profits. But now with lots of competition in the market, so we have a very thin margins left in the market. So how would the restaurants create more margins, create more profit? Because restaurants are there to make profit. Uh, so they want more and more profit, but they have to compete in the market as well. So how would they compete with the other restaurants? So they have to predict the food needs. Okay, that's one thing. So one thing, they need to reduce the wastes. Okay, so all the restaurants, I know restaurants, uh, they have lots of wastes by the end of the day. They cook and they maintain their inventory. Sometimes it's lower than the needs, and sometimes it's more than the needs of the day. But AI has the capabilities to predict, to automatically tell you what would be the food demands next week, what would be the food demands next day, what would be the food demands in the next hour even. Okay, so if you do those sort of a predictions with the AI, so and you maintain your inventory with the AI with the base, so it would become sort of a much more sort of helpful for the sorry, Sadia, can you please mute your mic? Sadia, can you please hear me? Thank you, Sadia. Okay, so that's what we can do with AI. We can predict the food needs with AI. We can, because if we know how much food we would be preparing next week or tomorrow or next month, so we can easily optimize the staff needs as well. Okay, so we would automatically know if, okay, tomorrow would be less busy, so I don't need like 10 people in my restaurant working in the kitchen. So I might need only 4 people. Okay, so you would not be overstuffing. So that's going to help to reduce the costs as well. Okay. So, and AI can tell you, AI has the capabilities of looking at the lots of different data. So they can look at the weather data, they can look at the market demands, they can look at the customers' demand, the local sort of activities going on in the area. So lots of other things. The AI can automatically process that data, and that can help you to adjust the prices as well. So it can automatically adjust the prices according to what other restaurants are offering. So it can automatically adjust the different deals for the different people as well. So with AI, you can provide very personalized experience to every single person, every single customer, which is not possible for the humans to do it manually for every single customer. So managers, or the or the or your staff standing at the till, so they might not know every single customer. Okay, so there might be a customer who comes every other week. So you might not know that customer, but AI has the capability to memorize the data and uh, to to keep track of everything, and automatically it can offer a personalized experience to every single customer, even though that if that customer is not very frequent. Okay, so by predicting the food requirements, food demands, AI can help you to predict what would be the food demand, and it can help you to reduce the staff requirements, and overall, that's going to improve the restaurant's profitability. So if the restaurant is earning good profit, so and the customer is getting a less price and a personalized experience and a very accurate and fastly delivered food. So that's a win-win situation. That's a win-win situation for a restaurant. That's a win-win situation for the customer as well. Both are happy. So then why not AI? So that's why AI is very important. So with AI, so uh, at the end of the day, the restaurants can make more profit, and they can make the customers more happy as well. Okay? So current AI tools are already helping in reducing up to 8% of the labor cost and up to 5% of the cost on the food as well. So that's a huge cost. Like if you talk about the profit margins, according to my some research, I might be wrong, but I think most of the restaurants they have a profit margin from 5 to 8%. That's a very thin margin. So uh, if AI can help you to reduce the 8% of the labor cost and the 5% of the food cost serving, so that can add a huge to your profit margins. Okay. So any thoughts on it? So anyone who wants to give feedback, add something to it? Because I don't have a restaurant. I have an experience as a customer. So I don't have an experience as a manager of a restaurant. So you guys are very experienced in terms of managing the restaurants. So what do you think? Is AI uh, if AI can do all these things, which AI is basically doing. So do you think like AI is gonna be uh, helping you in creating more sort of profits? Anyone?
Sir, I think now AI will accumulate all multiple instructions into one instruction.
Yep.
Like 4 to 5 customers are giving multiple instructions that they are customized
Mm,
their burgers. The
exactly.
AI will
Yeah.
accumulate all these instructions into one instruction.
That's true. That's true. Absolutely true. AI has a capability of doing. But do you think by doing all those things, the restaurants are gonna make more profit, and they would be able to give low cost to the customers, offer low cost to the customers as well. Ji Noman sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Perfect.
Assalamu
Nasir
alaikum.
Saab, Walaikum Assalam.
My
Muhammad
point of
Afzal, Muhammad Afzal
yes,
Saab.
I think so. Okay, AI will help us to reduce labor costs, and that will be the directly hit to the bottom line. That will
Mhm.
that will help us to save more money,
Exactly. Yeah. That's that. So
and
you
the
think it's true?
wear and
Yeah.
tear also reduce.
Mhm.
When the humans working, their things getting wear and tear more and more. But when the
Yeah.
AI tools or robots will working, the
Mhm.
wear and tear will be reduced drastically.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so that means AI will be helpful with your experience. So you think AI will be helpful. So let's see. Let's go deeper into it. Let's see how AI is already reshaping the fast food industry. So we're going to talk about the the tools and the techniques the different restaurants are already using uh, to improve their profitability. So I'm going to touch upon three different concepts of AI. So, in terms of AI, we're going to talk about prediction, personalization, and automation. And with these three techniques of AI, so we're going to see how can AI improve the customer personalization experience and how can AI help in inventory optimization, and how can AI help in operational efficiency. So we're going to talk about these three different aspects, how AI is reshaping the fast food industry. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about right now. So let's talk about them one by one, slowly. And I'll really appreciate if you keep on giving your inputs as you have already been doing. So I know Noman Saab is giving very frequent inputs. Mohammed Afzal Saab has given the input as well. So I would appreciate if other people as well. This Taima has been giving inputs. So Jawad Saab has contributed as well. So I would really appreciate if everyone else, Tayyib Saab, Abdul Hai Saab, Tahir Saab. So I would really appreciate if everyone can please give your input. Again, if you could
Sir, I
turn on
want,
your yep, yep,
sir, I'm like from Okada. I want to add
okay,
something in this session. We
yep.
are already using AI in KFC.
Ah,
We are using AI for projections like how much sale will be done in next hour, and how
perfect.
much customers will be visit in next hour and next 30 minutes. So we
Mm-hmm.
have project our products
Mm-hmm.
accordingly. So AI is very helpful in different
Mm-hmm.
terms of
Mm-hmm.
different terms in restaurant line.
Perfect, perfect. So do you think AI is helping, and how accurate do you think AI is in terms of predicting the customer's demands?
So AI is helpful, and we are already using AI in the shape of ERP and projections, and they tell us about how much customers will be visit in next 30 minutes and how much transaction will be done in next 30 minutes. So our system is already telling us how much product will be cooked in next 30 minutes.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
AI is very helpful for us. So
Mm-hmm.
if we will use properly, we can increase our speed of service to the customer. Then definitely, when customer will satisfied, they will visit again, and our sales
Mm-hmm.
will be also improved, and our profitability will be improved definitely.
Improving. So do you think AI is accurate? So like if AI tells you there would be like 10 customers in next hour, so how accurate those predictions are? Do you think like how many like if AI tells you there would be 10 customers in the next hour, so how many actually the on average the customer turns up? Are they actually 10 or 9 or 11? So is that prediction somewhere close to the actual results, or it's not very accurate? Like sir?
Yes, sir. It's a very it always very close to our projections. If we
Okay.
predict 10 customers, it will be 9 or 8 or 11. And that will
Okay,
90 to
perfect.
95% will.
That's very accurate. That's right. And then that helps you in maintaining your inventory as well, and that helps you in maintaining your staff requirements as well.
We are
As
Perfect.
per
already
Yes.
my
using it
understanding,
for scheduling. For rider
Mm.
scheduling, we are using artificial intelligence support. That
Mhm.
all that is also very helpful for us. Uh, that
Perfect.
predict in next 7 days what will be the
Mhm.
sale transactions in or
Mhm.
how many
Mhm.
riders you need. We are already
Mhm.
using these things.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So that's really good. That's really good. The AI has already penetrated into the restaurants in Pakistan, and so the KFC is already using few of these tools. That's really good. That's encouraging. So I'm going to talk about like this thing and few more things, and let's see if other things
let me
can.
add something there.
Yeah, yeah. Afzal
As
sir.
per my opinion, I think so. It's depend on data actually. AI
Yeah.
never right or wrong. It's depends on data. Whole scenario based on the data. If your data is accurate, that output will be the accurate.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking that how accurate your results are. Obviously, that's based on the data. So that's going to tell us like how accurate the data is, and whether AI in the KFC requires more tweaks, or it's already close to the perfection. So yeah, thank you also.
Yeah, hello, Mahmood here. It's the
Yep.
data is almost, you can say, the near to accuracy. It is
Mm-hmm.
around 90%. You can say that the data is
Mm-hmm.
very helpful. And
Perfect.
for the purpose for the I'm a bit late, but I'm just need to add something. It
Yeah,
is
sure, no
you
problem.
can yeah it is you can say it is more efficient for the cost regarding it depends because in
Mhm,
Pakistan we have we have some new you can say AI is new for Pakistan. We are using just
mhm,
started some tools or
mhm,
some projects
mhm,
regarding this, but it depends if you are having some kind of cheaper labor in Pakistan and depends
mhm,
you are
mhm,
using that AI and it costs you how much for that
mhm,
project of monthly basis. Then it depends on the situation. Then the
mhm,
cost is more efficient or like that. But it is
mhm.
accuracy.
It is helping. It
The
is
main
helping.
thing is it is more accurate, and if you are
Mhm,
accurate, if you are good giving good personalized service to your customers, then
mhm.
definitely they will feel the difference and they will come.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Evan. That's what we have been talking about, and thank you very much for your input. So let's move on. So let's talk about the first part, how AI can help in customer personalization and enhanced experience. So so AI has the capabilities of as we talked about. Sorry, my uh, my screen just disappeared. Give me a second. Let me fix it. Okay. So, yeah. So AI. Let's talk about like how AI can give a very personalized experience. Okay. So, AI can give very personal experience to the customers through the digital menu boards. It can help in through the mobile apps as well. So you see, the customers, if customers can see on their mobile apps, very sort of a personalized deals, very sort of a personalized sort of uh, combos for what they are needing, very personalized sort of recommendations based on the weather, based on the local sort of events going on. So if every single customers can get a very personalized sort of experience on their mobile apps or on the digital menus within the restaurants, so that would be very helpful, and that's what AI is doing. So through by analyzing those different types of the data, so by analyzing the personal data, what our customers might have ordered previously, that data that the customers uh, what days of the week the customer usually order a food, and what's the weather like today, and what sort of a combination a specific customers like. So based on that, we can easily create, and it's already there, that the different customers, they can see very personalized sort of menus on their apps. They can see very personalized sort of menus within the restaurants as well. So that's very similar to what we see on the YouTube or on the Facebook or on the Netflix or other social media websites. You see advertisements on your Facebook or your social media website, which is very relevant to your interests. You see, and uh, and similarly, uh, on YouTube, the YouTube recommends you the videos which you would definitely like. Okay, that's based on your previous history. That's previous based on your previous experiences as well. And similarly, Netflix, they recommend you the videos and the movies which are based on your interest. Very similar to that. So the fast food industry is also utilizing those AI tools to create the very personalized sort of menus for every single customer. So now the customers see the deals, the customers see the food, customers sees the combinations which are very personalized to their experiences and their needs and their likings and dislikings. And one more thing, where AI hasn't been successful so far, but the work is going on in that direction. That is uh, the the voice assistants, like the AI helping in taking the orders. So I know the McDonald's have tried this, but they took it off and they stopped. That wasn't very accurate, but the researchers are working on it as well. So what that mean is, like, if someone wants to do a order in English, so maybe your manager or maybe your the person there at the till might not be very good at English. They might be very good at speaking Urdu. They might be very good at speaking Punjabi or any other language. They might be very good at speaking Pashto, but they might not be very good at speaking English. So AI can have the voice assistant tools which can automatically take the orders instead of the humans taking the orders. Okay, so we have the McDonald's tried this at their drive-throughs. There was successful. But there were few complaints as well. But obviously, AI is evolving, and that's going to happen very soon. So that's something which we don't say that it's impossible. That's possible. So maybe if a Spanish guy comes to Pakistan and he speaks only Spanish and he doesn't know how to speak Urdu or English, so if we have the voice assisted the AI tool there at the KFC, so if you just turn on the Spanish button and the AI would start taking the or speaking the Spanish with the Spanish customer. So that would be very helpful. So that would be a very personalized experience as well. Although this hasn't been done completely so far, but that's we are moving towards that. So as the Laik and Mahmood and Afzal, they have already explained that KFC is already adopting a proactive approach in terms of predicting how many customers there would be, how many, what would they be liking and what would they be disliking. So let's talk about a few more things like we can help or AI can help in creating the chatbots, and the AI can help in collecting the feedbacks from the internet as well. And maybe it's not difficult for the AI. So we already have these sort of tools that we go and collect and read the tweets from the Twitter. So we collect the posts on the Facebook. We create the AI tool which can read the post on the Instagram or other social media websites, and based on those posts and comments, AI can automatically analyze those posts and can automatically tell you so what people are talking about your restaurants. Okay, so if for example there is a KFC, specific KFC in the Rawalpindi Sadar, so there might be people talking about that Sadar KFC on the Facebook or on the Twitter or on the another social media website. It's difficult for the humans to go and read every single comment, every single feedback, but it's not difficult for the AI. So AI, you can easily generate the tools, create the tools, which can automatically go on the social media and automatically see what people are talking about. And you can automatically, AI can automatically analyze those feedbacks and give you just the final answer. Okay, so are people talking good about your restaurant or people are talking about bad about your restaurant? AI can suggest you different things as well based on those feedbacks. Okay, you need these sort of improvements in your restaurant. Maybe people are complaining about the cleanliness. Maybe people are complaining about the readiness of the food. It takes time to create the food. So people might be talking about the taste of the food as well. So it's much more easier through the AI that you can automatically look at the feedbacks people are giving on the different social media websites or even on your website.
अरे मुझे
And
बताओ ये फोल्डर में कितनी देखने की है शॉर्टकट टू जूम का
जी वलीद साहब,
नहीं हो ना
हाँ
बैक करें तो ये ना दो पड़े हुए थे, एक ये वन वाला
तो
पड़ा था,
जूम
एक
का
वलीद
ये
कहाँ
साहब,
वाला
गया
पड़ा था।
Waleed sir, can you turn off your mic, please? Thank you. Okay, so that's what we can do with the AI. Okay, so that's very proactive sort of a customer service. Rather than you wait and see a huge dip in your sales, you proactively look at the feedbacks on the social media through AI and make improvements in real time. Okay, let's look at this very interesting video. So I was talking about that voice assisted AI tools. So where the AI can help you in taking the orders. So this is the other way around. The Google has created this very interesting tool. So Google Assistant. So it's other way around. A customer, which is an AI now, is talking to a restaurant and a barber shop and putting an order. Okay, you'll see how accurate it is. And the person at the other end, which is a human, it would not be able to recognize that it is talking to a human or it's talking to an AI. Let's see. Nice. Let me unshare and share it again. Sorry.
So we need AI in Zoom also.
Yes. So it's not playing, unfortunately. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
जीसस स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है आपकी स्लाइड शो.
But it's not moving forward. It's not moving forward.
Here's the first slide. How
So
to
we can see.
transform.
देख रहे हैं हम स्क्रीन को.
Showing a first slide. Okay.
Okay. So let's see if it doesn't play, that's fine. So we can move on. Okay. So let's move on to the next slide.
Hi, I'm looking for a I'm looking for something on May 3rd.
It's playing.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm calling to book I'm looking for something on May 3rd.
It turns out a big part of getting things done is making a phone call. We think AI can help with this problem. Let's say you want to ask Google to make you a haircut appointment on Tuesday between 10 and noon. What happens is the Google Assistant makes the call seamlessly in the background for you. So what you're going to hear is the Google Assistant actually calling a real salon to schedule the appointment for you. Let's listen.
So how can I help you? Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd. Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around? At 12 p.m. We do not have a 12 p.m. available. The closest we have to that is a 1:15. Do you have anything between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.? Depending on what service she would like. What service is she looking for? Just a woman's haircut for now. Okay, we have at 10 o'clock. 10 a.m. is fine. Okay, what's her first name? The first name is Lisa. Okay, perfect. So I will see Lisa at 10 o'clock on May 3rd. Okay, great. Thanks. Great. Have a great day. Bye.
We've been Google our investors understand text appointment. All restaurant which is not easily available appointment has been taken care of. Let me give you another example. Let's say you want to call a restaurant, but maybe it's a small restaurant which is not easily available to book online. The call actually goes a bit differently than expected. So take a listen.
See how may I hear you?
Hi, I'd like to reserve a table for Wednesday the 7th.
For 7 people?
It's for 4 people.
4 people? When? Today?
Next Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Oh, actually we leave here for like after like 5 people. For 4 people you can come.
How long is the wait usually to be seated?
For when, tomorrow or weekday or?
For next Wednesday, the 7th.
Oh no, it's not too busy. You can come for 4 people, okay?
Oh, I gotcha. Thanks.
Bye bye.
You see how AI was accurate in speaking. So you see, the AI was making a phone call, and AI was talking to humans, and human couldn't even recognize that it was talking to human, and AI was very correctly giving answers and putting on the request. You see how accurate the AI is. So that's what AI is doing right now, and you can implement these sort of techniques in your restaurants as well. So voice assisted AI, so which can automatically speak different languages. So you can do that as well. So let's talk about a few more things. We have less time left now. So we can see how AI can help in inventory optimization and waste reduction. So I think the KFC is already doing this. So I'm not going to speak too much about this then. So traditional forecasting might be like the managers, they just think how much time, how many customers they would be based on the previous experience. So maybe the manager would think like, okay, it's a nice weather, there might be more people coming in, so maybe more people comes on Wednesdays or weekends. So based on personal experience, manager used to make decisions. But now, as you said, as Laik mentioned as well, and other participants mentioned, that the KFC is already using the AI tools to do the predictions, and that's based on different data. The historical data, it's based on the promotions AI. The KFC is providing. It's based on the social media sort of feedbacks, local events, weather, lots of other things. So AI has the capability of combining different types of the data and making the results based on all those data. So based on that, you can do and few other things you can do the real-time inventory management and tracking as well. So it's not difficult. So we have the camera. So we have restaurants where the cameras are installed, and with the help of those cameras, we have the systems which automatically monitor what's the ingredient levels in different sort of bins or in different sort of storage spaces. And rather than like manager going and checking every single bin and every single storage space, so with the help of the cameras, the AI tools can automatically check the inventory and can automatically tell you when the inventory is going low or the specific bin or the storage is or specific product is going low. So that's one step that's already being done. So we have one step next. We have agentic AI now. So rather than manager like checking every single bin, or if AI is checking every single bin, and then manager look at those results and order a food. Now we have agentic AI. So AI now can automatically check how much ingredients you have left in the different sections, different sort of bins, or different sort of storage spaces, and it can automatically place the orders for you as well. It can automatically give your banking details to your supplier and automatically put the order for you. So it's all happening. So we have been using these AI tools for different things, but the restaurants have started using these tools as well. So we have the complete smart AI kitchens available now. So there are examples where the smart kitchens are replacing the conventional kitchens, where we have the cameras installed. They are looking at the ingredients. They are looking at the levels. They are telling you whether you need a refill or not. There are heat sensors as well, which are telling you, okay, which specific ingredients of food, what's the temperature of that food, whether it requires more heating it up, or whether if it requires a cold sort of a container, so whether the temperature of the container is good enough or not. So all these sort of things which managers used to manage previously. So AI can replace all those things. So managers can use all those techniques. Manager can use those AI tools to help them actually. So rather than manager taking the headache of all those things, so they apply those AI tools and then let AI do all those things, and manager do the more intelligent stuff, the more human-like stuff as well. So let's look at this example. We have this AI tool already available in the market. Let's see how this AI tool is already applying different AI techniques to automate the kitchens. Let's watch this video.
PreziTaste's software automation solutions for the professional kitchen are proven to result in saving up to 8% on labor costs and 5% on food costs on average. The Prep Assistant guides crews on what to prep and when. This helps to prep more efficiently with less crew members. The Planner Assistant optimizes order fulfillment with a demand-based automated schedule to increase labor efficiency and reduce overproduction. The Station Assistant is a vision AI enhancement. The sensors monitor the exact fill levels of each hot and cold ingredient by using depth sensing and AI, guiding the crews to refill ingredients based on demand. AI automation, AI predictions, and AI management, solutions for the restaurant challenges of today.
You see, that's the actual AI tool. So that's actually there in the market, and restaurants are already using these tools. So AI is already there, and people and the restaurants are already automating their kitchens by using the AI tools. So we have very few minutes left. Let me just quickly tell you how AI is used for operational efficiency. So as our participants already talk about the smart staff scheduling. If you can predict how many customers would be coming in next hour or next day or next week, so you can more efficiently and proactively manage your staff. So you won't be overstaffing on a specific day, or you won't be understaffing on a specific day. So you can optimize by using the AI. You can optimize your staff scheduling. You can reduce the overtime. So you might not be asking your staff to staying overtime based on your own sort of predictions which might be wrong, but with the AI predictions, the predictions are very accurate, as our participants are already mentioned. So you can more actively or more correctly you can optimize your staff requirements, and that's automatically going to reduce your costs, and it's going to reduce the burden on the employees as well. If you have the full-time employees, and if a full-time employee can go home earlier, so that would be very good. So the employees would be very happy, and the customers would be happy with the low costs, and the manager would be happy as well. That because the manager is managing everything very, very accurately and very correctly. There's one more video. I'm going to skip it. You can use the AI for the staff management. That's not difficult. And you can, as I said, you can automate your complete kitchens by using the AI, by ensuring the consistent quality. Because if you have the AI tool which tells you what sort of ingredient would go into a recipe in what quantity. So if you have a AI assisted tools there which is telling every single thing to the chefs or to the staff, so there are very less possibility of making the errors. So we have gadgets available, we have the apps available, where the apps can guide the staff how to cook a food. So what should be the temperature? So how long a specific food be stayed on the stove, and how long you're going to keep it in the microwave, and what quantity of a chilies you're going to put in. So all these things can be fed into the AI tools, and AI can automatically guide the staff to create a personalized and very nice food for for the customers. And there would be less chances that the quality of food would change every single time. And you can add the personalized experiences as well. Maybe if a customer requires, like me, it requires a specific mild food. So the AI can tell the staff based on my personal experience, okay, this guy requires a very light, mild food, or this requires a more spicy food. So AI can help the staff with all those things. So it's all happening. And then AI can help in maintaining your sort of equipment as well. So I did this project with the National Institute of Electronics, where we installed different sensors in different machines, and with the AI, our AI system was automatically predicting that, okay, whether this machine is going to go faulty or not in the next week or in the next hour or next month. So if a machine requires more maintenance, the AI tools can automatically tell it. So I know like managers might face these problems where on a specific day when it's a busy day and a specific machine can go faulty. So all of a sudden. So with these AI tools, you can predict whether a machine is going to machine require maintenance, does it require replacement, does it going to go faulty or not. Okay, then you can create all the different dashboards where you can see everything happening. So your customers' feedback, your timeliness of the food, the quality of the food. So you can create whole big dashboards by using the AI to see all those different types of the datas and manage your restaurants in a much better way. Okay, so that's it for today. So what do you think? So what's your feedback? What do you think? Can KFC utilize any of these AI technologies? I know KFC is already doing the predictions based on AI. So anyone, anything else that KFC can do? You think? What do you think? Anyone?
Sir, what do you think if we install a AI-based camera on drive-thru before taking orders? That AI-based camera will read the nameplate or the number plate of a vehicle. Will predict his history, his or her history, what he previously ordered.
Perfect.
Do you think it will work or not?
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. So that you can do it. That's not a difficult thing. So reading the number plates and keeping the data based on the car number plates, that's not difficult. So we have been using this AI softwares for number plate recognition, and then you can attach those with the customer's previous data. That's easy. So you can go one step further as well if it's people. So we all usually make accounts. The customers make accounts on the apps. So if a customer already have an account on the KFC app, so rather than you track the you create the personalized experience based on the number plate, you can easily do it through their account they already have on the on your KFC app. So, but that's true. You can do it through the number plate as well. That's equally good. But you better know which is better, because you can you know whether people or the customer make accounts on the web on your apps, or they just turn up, they avoid making the accounts. But here in UK, so it's very common. People make accounts on the apps. They get reward points for every time they order a food. So that's how it becomes much more sort of a compulsory sort of a thing for the customer to make an account. So they make an account. So through that account, they would be ordering the food every time, and that helps the restaurants to maintain the data, and that helps the customers to get the reward points as well. Yep. Anyone else? So what do you think? What? Yep.
Mr. Ul Rehman, the insights are very good on customer personalization and inventory optimization. Which specific tools could you refer us to implement at restaurant level? Like if I'm a manager working at the restaurant, I'm somehow occupied for around 10 hours within the restaurant. So let it be the complaint management system or the complaint coming in. So which specific tools can I use on a daily basis to help me these insights today?
So yeah, so you can have different options. So it depends like how much you can spend. So the good tools at the KFC level, they are not free. So if you are gonna implement the tools which are at the higher level for the whole big restaurant, then you're gonna go for the tools which are mainly the paid tools. So the two tools I've already mentioned, Precitaste is one tool, and the other automatic this one is what they call it. Let me just find the exact name. So that is Automatica, I think. So I'll tell you the exact name as well. So that they are also helping in automatically scheduling and predicting how many staff you would need in the future. So this is another tool which is very good. So there is another tool.
Sorry to cut. We have are scheduled in Excel formats. Most of our data is in Excel formats. So how we can if we shift this Excel file to that particular format in the AI tool, probably it would give us in a better optimization in results and
Exactly.
in
Yeah,
implementing,
definitely.
for example,
So, but
scheduling.
yeah, definitely. So what you can do is you can start off with the three different types of the tool. So one tool is maybe where you automate your kitchen. So I gave you an example. I showed you the video of the Pessy test. You saw what type of things the Pessy test can do. So this Automatica, this tool can help you automatic scheduling of your stuff. So it can predict you what would be the future sort of requirements. And then there are other tools as well which can be helpful in predicting other things. Maybe the customized recommendation. So you can go for the recommender systems as well, where you can recommend different types of the foods to every single customer. Those recommender systems, or uh, or you can go for a more customized solutions as well. So I know the people in Pakistan. So they have been creating the tools very specific and very customized to the requirements of the different people. So you can go for that option as well. But as a manager, so it's your choice. But I think that would be a cheaper solution if you go for a more customized solution rather than you buy these sort of already ready tools, because these tools you will be paying the initial cost, and then they have a monthly costs as well. So, but it's your choice. It's your choice which one you go for. So, but you can write down my email address. So maybe
Yes, would
the
like to. I'll write down in
Nayab
the
or
chat.
like, yeah. So I'll be happy to recommend you the tools specific to your needs as well. Okay. Okay. So what are the different takeaways you think? What do you take from this session today? So do you like it? So any other participant, you as well. So what do you think? What are the key
Yes, sir.
takeaways
It's
from
Kadir
this
here. Yes,
session?
it's very informative, and obviously
Hmm.
we have started. If we talk about AI, so KFC also using here in Pakistan, but we have a lot of opportunities. By taking this session, got to know that we have a lot of room, and so definitely we have an opportunity. We can implement a lot of other things to make everything efficient. And at the last, thank you so much for your. I really appreciate the way you engage us throughout the session. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for your feedback. So anyone else they want to give their feedback? So what are the key takeaways you think from the session?
Dr. Atta, this is Adnan. I just wanted to ask a question that was coming in my mind.
Okay, sure.
We have discussed a lot of very good things, and they're very, very useful, no doubt about it. I just had this question that based on the high volumes and low volumes, for example, all the videos that we have seen, all the research that has been done is mostly executed in countries which have a very low volume customer transaction count. Pakistan being a very high customer driven market, do you think AI would perform the same regardless of the high transaction or low transaction, or would there be some lags in this overall? It depends on the data. What do you think would make it perform the same?
I would say that's going to be better, because what AI is what we say. AI is a data hungry sort of tool. So the more data you feed it, more accurate data you feed into the AI. So AI is going to give you more accurate results. Okay. So in Pakistan, if you have more customers, so more customers means we have more data. So if more data is going into the AI, so AI is definitely going to perform better than better than where you have the less data. So if let's say if there is a country where there's a low sort of customers coming in, they have less number of transactions going on. So that means the less number of data going into the AI system. So we have the AI system which we call the online learning AI system. Which when you implement an AI system, and then that's not that it. So what it does is the online learning AI tools, they keep on learning with time as well. Okay. So if more transactions are going on, in your restaurants. So the AI will keep on learning and it would keep on improving. There are more chances that AI would perform better in those cases. So definitely that's going to help. That's gonna be better than where there are less transactions.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Sajid Saab, do you want to say something?
Thank you very much and a very informative and comprehensive session. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So, Anansa, what do you think? What are the key takeaways from this session?
Well, if I put myself in the key takeaways things, I would be more. I was more focused on the inventory and the scheduling part, which was something we do actually on a regular basis, and that's an area we need a lot of AI, and probably we need a lot of guidance in getting to improve our overall performance in that particular area. Whereas the other part is concerned, where we are talking about the customer interface, I think we are lacking a lot in right now. There's no development in the Pakistan market from that perspective.
Yeah, that's a very important thing because customer like a personalized experience now. So you think like if you go to a YouTube today and you start seeing recommendations which doesn't suit you at all, so you would stop going to the YouTube. So people now need the personalized experience. We need personalized deals, personalized tastes, and everything personalized.
Absolutely.
So especially with everyone having a smartphone, so it's not difficult for everyone to install a app and order a food through the app. So if someone is ordering a food through the app, so they have an account, they are giving the data to the restaurant, and restaurant can serve that person in a much better way next time, in a more personalized sort of a fashion. So yeah, that's need to be done. That's the need of the time. So that's gonna happen sooner or later. That's definitely gonna happen.
Oh, all right. I was actually reading an article a few days back regarding McDonald's implementing the AI in the drive-thru. And then they actually pulled it back. And then Starbucks also went through the same phase. Do you think was that the customized experience of the human touch or something else?
I think that AI assisted tool was making some errors. So say that was struggling to understand few accents, and that made some error, and customers made some complaints about it, and they had to take it back. So, but because audio, I've been working on the audio as well. So for last many years. So audio has many challenges. So when you have a background noise, you have people speaking at the background. So different people have different accents. Different people speak the slangs. So even especially in the USA, the people use lots of slang words as well. So that was a challenge. So but that would improve in the future. We saw. Uh, I showed you a video where the Google Assistant was making a phone call, but that was a very simple sort of environment. There was no background noise. There was no one else speaking at the same time. So, but when you go into the real sort of a scenario, when someone is sitting in the car, you have kids shouting at the background, and you have a different accent. So then it's very challenging. So, but like we are moving towards that. So it's gonna improve. So it's gonna be there.
Yeah, definitely it's going to improve. These are all hit and trial run tests where things are being improving every day probably, and you've got more exposure to it, and you must be learning every day. We don't interact with AI a lot, as of course your experience of interacting with that is, but we are learning slow and steady.
Yep, we'll be there, inshallah. Okay, so any questions? Any other question? If we have more questions, I can take a couple of more questions. Otherwise, we can wrap up the session. Any other questions? Okay, so thank you very much. If we have no more questions, then I would say thank you very much to every single person who contributed, who gave their input, and those who did not even give any input. They attended the session. They thank you very much for your time and effort for attending the session.
Sir, are you going to share your contact details, the email and stuff like that?
Yeah, you can take my details from the admin here. So
Okay.
sorry, I forgot the name of the admin. Was it Nayab or someone else?
The admin?
Yeah.
I think it was Mujahid.
Okay. So yeah, so whoever is the admin here, so you can get the details, or otherwise I can put my email address here.
You can put your
Can I ask one question, sir?
Yep.
Hello. Yeah. My question is that in other markets where we are using AI, is they are feeling any threat, like if the people are shifting to the AI and there will, you can say, the humans are now eliminating from the jobs, or like this, they are facing any kind in this kind of threat or in their mind, or?
So let me share my screen for that answer. Okay. I already had one slide, but unfortunately I didn't have time to show you that slide. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yes.
So yeah, let me show you one.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, see this. So that's my answer about it. Can you read the answer? Okay. So you understand now. So AI will not replace the managers. So those managers who know AI will replace the managers who don't know the AI. Okay, don't know how to use the AI. So that's my answer.
Very right.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
No worries.
But that does not mean managers cannot be replaced, guys. Whoever are on the line.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. I need to. Yeah. And so if there is any other question, I've written down my email address. So any other queries, any other problems, you can contact me through that email. So I'll be more than happy to help you out with that. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.